My name is Leandro de Carrera. I am 42 years old. I am a pragmatic and complicated person. I study civil engineering and lay in Spain for 12 years. I like to go to the gym, watch Netflix and YouTube. I think exercise is very important. I don't like going to the doctor. Last year I lost 5 kilograms. I like watching videos of politics and economics. I like to watch series like The 100, Lucifer, Billions, Black Mirror. I begin to the interested in the economic to understand the UPHC crisis in Colombia and the end. In 2008, Jan Bonds in the United States. My ideology is liberal. I don't like shopping. I don't like people with left-wing ideology. I don't like religious people. I like in Bogota, in the Bosa neighborhood. My favorite book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad of Robert Kiyosaki. Robert's book is very pedagogical to understand people's psychology about money and make you see the mistakes we fall from capital management. I'm also like 100 years of Loneritz of Garcia Marquez. I am currently reading Gold, Among the Myths of Merlero. 100 Years of Solitude is a very entertaining book that I will return next year. The only thing I don't know likes is the end. In the morning, I always make the bed and organize the room at the night usually leave the kitchen clean if I use it. I shave, take a shower, brush my teeth, get dressed, comb my hair, have a coffee and go out. On weekends at my house, I wash my clothes, clean the floors, clean the bathroom and the kitchen. I iron the shirts for the week. I buy food to have sometime during the week. I try to buy salads, tuna, and healthy things. Occasionally, I clean during the week. Sometimes I cook, sometimes like meat, rice, egg, but usually like in a restaurant. I night often than eat anything. Well, usually at night I prepare an ham and cheese sandwich without coffee, or go out to eat and sausage, but very rarely. When I where my mother is, I sometimes wash the dishes and help to lower the garbage to the container, cleaning glass and other trays when requested. When it comes to general cleaning, and help her move the fridge, the washing machine, the oven, the beds and helps her clean floors, windows, walls and do some repairs. When I visit my brother I fix the room, clean the floors and place the washing machine is a very messy and not clean. I do it because I does not clean. I am currently watching the Billions series about the life of an investor in the stock market, how he used the information to enrich himself, and a prosecutor could persuade him to take him to jail because the investor cheats. I also like House of Cards. He is a corrupt politician who managed to be president of the United States through deception and crime. I watch YouTube videos about politics from Venezuela, Mexico, and Argentina. We watch what's happening with the president of Mexico in his fourth transformation, the inflationary situation in Argentina, and situation of the 21st century socialist of Venezuela, the diaspora, and immediate intervention. Current reading Oro Entre Brumas by Luis Monero about an expedition in search of a sunken ship at the time of the calling on the coast of Cadiz. A body found in the ship's walls about conflicts between the expedition's personnel and the authorities to have the death of the body found. At 7 in the morning, 9 hours start the class, passing the list of the students. At 7 p.m. I am hours warming up in the gym to start the exercise routine. When I don't have class, I go to school to prepare a class to do university homework. The days I do not go to gym, I look for a good movie to watch in complete, usually in the apps watching or movie that keeps repaying as the good father. Thank you.